In the heart of winter, with snow blanketing the world in silence, one fluffy dog braves the cold alone. Driven by hunger and instinct, he hunts fish in the middle of a frozen river, clean them properly, he makes sure it is all seasoned, and finds just enough to survive. But survival isn't enough. Tonight, he cooks. With paws of determination and the warmth of a tiny fire, he prepares his meal under a frozen sky. Like and subscribe to my channel or comment heart if you love this cute, fluffy dog.